I feel like I'm an 80s mother or an 80s rock star. And honestly, I'm kind of vibing. So, hello everybody, it's Safiya. Today, oh, can you say hi? This is my baby. Okay, bye-bye. Alright, so today I want to show you guys how I trim and style my curly shag haircut. I don't have that hair right now. I actually straightened my hair and it got quite oily, so don't look at my hair too closely. But I put it up in a bun and I put clips in for my bangs. But anyways, I need a little bit of a trim. I've needed a trim for a while and today's that day. And if you didn't know, my sister is actually the one that cuts my hair, so she is going to be giving my haircut a haircut for me today. But yeah, and I've found that the products that I'm using right now really, I'm really liking them, so I thought I'd share that with you guys as well. So let's get started. Also, don't mind this shirt, I needed an old one, so. So I thought I'd do a formal introduction of my personal hairstylist. She's not my sister, she's just my hairstylist. She's pretty good at her job and stuff. So in this clip, my sister is kind of explaining what she is going to do, but essentially the plan was to cut layers, shorter layers, and then thin the whole way through. I made the mistake of telling her to cut 2 inches, and so she started to separate the layers she was gonna cut. The next couple of clips just show how she separated and trimmed each layer. And then she used some thinning shears to thin out the top layer because that's where my hair tends to grow the most. For the bangs, she was just gonna trim them, and I originally had curtain bangs, so she was just following that sort of guide to cut them. Okay, so this is the completed haircut. It's quite a bit shorter than when she first cut it, but we'll see once I shower. In the shower, I use a head massager from Sephora to spread around my shampoo, and for shampoo I use a ginger scalp one from the Body Shop, I believe, and that's kind of it that I use for my hair in the shower. Once I come out of the shower, I use a couple different products that I will show you after I shower. To manage my curls after I shower, I use Moroccan oil, hydrating styling cream, and sometimes I'll use this leave-in conditioner, but I'm finding that I like just using the Moroccan oil because it helps with frizz, and yeah, I like it. And I just spread that throughout my hair, making sure to comb my bangs forward. And then I scrunch my hair upside down as well. And twist select pieces to define the curls a little bit more. And then I just leave my hair like this to dry for a couple hours. And I use this Way hair oil. I only use like one pump or half a pump, and I find that that isn't more than enough to use throughout my hair. And it just makes it really shiny and smooth. Walking right beside you, cut off the strings and put me down. Tell me what I'm missing. Oh, I never listen to the crickets on my shoulder. I'm still trying to find out what's best for my curls, but that's it. I'm in the basement, but this is the finished haircut. It definitely looks more like a curly mullet than a shag cut. I don't know. It kind of got a little bit, it was kind of a different haircut than what I initially thought it was going to be, but that's what you get with at-home haircuts, and I mean, it's cute, and I think it's gonna take some getting used to, but I already like it more than I liked it when I first got it cut. Also, just like a disclaimer, we did have to go in and adjust some parts after we cut it. I would definitely not recommend cutting curly hair straight. That was the first time we did it, or maybe the second time, but this time it didn't really go so great. your hair's just a lot different curly. So would not do that. Would also not recommend showering with oily hair. That also changes how your hair is. So, and that's why we had to go in after and adjust some bits. So don't do that. Don't do what I did. This is probably not a tutorial. This is gonna be just me showing you how I got this haircut, but don't necessarily follow it. Let me know what you guys think. I think it's cute, but I don't know. I mean, I can't really do anything about it anymore. But yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I will be trying to make more videos more frequently. It's kind of hard with school and everything. But yeah, I just wanted to say thank you for all of you who have already subscribed. It means a lot to me, and I really, really appreciate it. So yeah, thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.